Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's vlog. So I am introducing this vlog. I don't normally introduce them in a kind of sit down fashion like this, but basically I lost the first clip of footage which ultimately kind of tells you exactly what I'm getting up to. So as you've seen from the title, this is a kind of wedding guest vlog, so you guys get to come to a wedding with me and experience it from the perspective of a single wedding guest. And this was the wedding of a really good friend of mine. The wedding was in Surrey in a place called Denby's Wine Estate, so basically like a winery. It was on a Friday, but I headed down I think to Surrey on a Thursday, and basically the first clip you'll see is just me kind of talking about my outfit for the day, as I was pretty much on that Thursday heading out to get my nails done and also to pick up some lashes and some powder and some bronzer and just kind of running errands before I jumped on the train and headed over there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and basically the vlog starts now. Thought I'd just give you a look at the outfit in its entirety with the shoes. Right, this is also what I'm going to wear to on the train, so let's go. Nails are done. Now headed to Lewisham to get my bronzer thingy, and I feel like I'm going all that way to not really do much of anything, so I don't know, maybe I'll see if I can like find some other hair stuff while I'm there. So yeah, but yeah, really happy with how these came out. This way. Very good.
Cream tea powders, they're making them less creamy now. They're more like just one cream tea powder.
Okay.
So like cream tea powders, they're right there.
Yeah. Update, we are back. And I just found out that the sleek pressed powder has been discontinued. So I got this brand, which is called Vital, and hopefully it's a colour match. So I tested it on my hand, which is probably just about the same colour as my face, so hopefully that works. So I got that. I also got some more cling film for my deep conditioning head wrap thing, and then I just got some soft and gentle antiperspirant as well. So now I need to pack and have a quick shower because I feel quite sweaty, and I might do that when I get to the hotel. Yeah, I'll probably do it when I get to the hotel. So yeah, I'll just towel off and then pack and then go. I've just popped on this River Island jacket instead. It's just a bit lighter and a bit more, I don't know, cash. Switched to my Mulberry bag. Same jeans, same top as before. And I've got my suitcase with me and I am ready to go. So let's go catch this train. I'm going via Waterloo. And then I can get a train straight to Dorking, which is the station nearest. And then I'll just jump in a cab from there to my hotel. Yes, I am. Yeah.
Everyone in the hotel is.
Yeah,
is
that,
today.
they've probably taken over
You've
the whole
basically, yeah.
place. Thank you very much. That's lovely.
That one.
Hey guys, so I'm here. I'm vlogging in the bathroom because there's actually the best light in here. And now I think about it, I don't know where the hell I'm going to do my makeup because, oh, maybe here. So I've just checked into the hotel and it's really cute in here actually. So this is the bathroom. Look at these high ceilings. Oh, amazing. Bathroom, sink, mirror, all that good stuff. And then it's the bedroom. Got some really rustic vibes going on in here. So yeah. So basically now I'm just gonna freshen up, put some lashes on, maybe have a quick shower, and then I've got to do all that in about an hour and a half and then head down for drinks at 8. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, if I can find good light anywhere, I will give you a quick update. Okay, here we go. So I'm dressed and I'm heading down to the sort of pre-wedding drinks, whatever, dinner. I think there's food as well. I've just curled my hair, put some lashes on. I did have a different top to wear, but it was just not working. So I've got this one from earlier. I've got this blazer from Zara. Same jeans, same shoes, but I did shower and shave, so I'm feeling pretty fresh. So yeah, let me head down and say hi to everybody now, because I think loads of people are already down there. And this is a full-length look at the fit. We are ready to go. Party time. Folks, so it's the morning after the night before, and I've just been down for breakfast, which was very nice. Had a full English. You'll have seen clips of that. I also just popped to the High Street, Dorking High Street, to pick up some nails for one of the bridal party, and some paracetamol for me. One too many glasses of wine. But what I'm going to do, it is 9:05, so I think I'm not going to start getting ready until 10. So, and to be fair, I don't have to do much. I just have to figure out how I'm styling this hair, which is looking pretty ratty at the moment. So I think I'll take another hour's nap, or just like rest my eyes, and then yeah, start getting ready. The church is like a short walk away from here, and the service doesn't start till like 12:45, so we've got time. We've got plenty of time. But yeah, I'm going to take this face off camera and talk to you guys once I am starting to get ready. So yeah, maybe we can do a little get ready with me as well. Hello. Right, so I am showered, moisturised, though I am coming off a little bit ashy. No, we're not going to do that. And now I have to do my makeup. So this is my setup here. I've got my brushes in there, makeup stuff in there, eyeshadows, lip stuff. So this is my station for now. So yeah, gonna do the face, and then basically I'm gonna time lapse it because you guys don't really want to see that real time. If you have any questions about the products I'm using, comment down below and I will let you know. But it's the same stuff I use for my everyday makeup routine, plus some like dramatic lashes, which are these Ardell Wispies, which are like on the other side so you can't see them. Okay, let's do this. I've got like 30 minutes to get this face beat. so I'm dressed. This is the dress. Got my earrings in from New Look, and now I'm just curling my lashes, and then I'm going to comb my hair really quickly because I'm running like probably very late. Okay, that's that. Let's do lips just in case we don't get time for hair. So for my lips, it's gonna be, if I can find it, MAC Chestnut with MAC Velvet Teddy. So MAC Chestnut lip liner. And then we're gonna do, and this one I'll take with me, Tom Ford in the shade Douglas, just to brighten it up. This is Jimmy Choo Fever. So this is my outfit. I'll get a better look at it at the actual venue.